allow your legs to fall apart. If you're not using the wall, again, sitting up on a cushion, allow your legs to separate. And you may need to bend the knees because we want to fold forward between the legs. And if you find it hard to fold forward, then put blocks under the knees or allow the knees to be a little closer together. And for the next 5 minutes, I'll be silent, but I invite you to allow the music to create whatever mood arises within you. Now, before you come up, take a little mental snapshot of how you're feeling, physically, but also emotionally. Because we're going to compare that to how we'll feel in the moment when we come out. Now, if you're doing the seated version, slowly roll back up. Lean back on your hands, release the hips. Allow the legs to draw together and then lie down on your back. If you're using the wall, you can use your hands if you need to. Encourage your legs to come together up the wall. Pausing here. Notice how that feels. Now, if you're on the floor, bring your legs together and bend your knees. If you're using the wall, scoot a little bit away from the wall and slide your feet down the wall until your feet are almost the same height as the knees. Pausing here for a moment. A bit of flexion for the hips. Feel like you can even just hug the knees into the chest. Maybe circling the knees a bit,